Alright. Where's our cold here? Our cold coming in is here. We could regulate it here. We had to. He's gonna go turn up the shower. I'm gonna cut the cold water back a little bit. It's the hot going out. It's the mix. Alright, so we're getting nice hot water here. Definitely nice hot water going up there. How is it now? Up coming out. Turn it up. Turn on the shower and put on hot. Ooh, the fucker's hot. How is it coming out? Yeah, I can't even touch it. Hello? Got any lights? Could be in the cartridge that's bad. What kind? Did you change the cartridge? Did you change the cartridge in there? Yeah. Did you?
No, I didn't.
You haven't.
It's just loose. It's loose.
It's supposed to be loose, but yeah. It could be in the spindle. See, you're getting some leakage out of here.
Right.
It's not that crazy hot. Let me go downstairs. Let that run. I want to check it downstairs.
Want me to stay up?
Don't matter. Yeah, it's hot. It's going up hot. I can't even hang on to it. See it?
What's it doing over here?
No, feel it over here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
It's hot there.
Yep.
It's the same thing right here, guy. Well, that's not going up. It's right here. Feel that? It's the same thing. I can't hang on to that. Put your hand on there and hold it. You can't hang on to that, can you? No.
No.
So it's in the cartridge. It's in the cartridge.
Okay.
Look at that. I can't even. So you can hang on to 120. So we're probably going out like 130. We got plenty of hot water going up there.
Yep.
Because I can't hang on to that. You can hang on to 120, and that's fine.
130.
So I think it's. Why don't we take it out and put another cartridge in there and try that? I bet you it's a spindle.
Okay.
So we'll shut the water off again. Shut the water off, and then we'll shut it off over here, and I'll get another spindle for it. Let's try that, all right?
Let's try something.
So I put a new spindle in it and took the handle off. He's gonna try it now. I think it's a spindle. Oh yeah, it's definitely warmer now. Oh yeah, that's the problem. Oh yeah. Well, try it now. Come on up here. Feel it now. Whooping crazy hot.
Yeah, that's good.
Huh? I got it all the way turned up, but that's the other. It was in the spindle. You feel it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the spindle was bad, huh?
Yep. Come on out of there now.
Even though it moves, it's no good.
Yeah, that don't always matter.
You get a couple spindles to keep my hand, huh?
Well, you gotta get the good ones. You gotta get the proper ones. Okay?
Yeah, I go to the phone shop and I get these.
You can't buy the ones, the replacement ones. You have to get the actual Symmons ones.
Yeah.
From Symmons, an OEM spindle. Because the ones you get, like on eBay,
Yeah, I don't get
they
them.
don't work.
Yeah.
Because I bought like 10 of them and I tried them. And I went through like 5 of them and every one of them were like this. They were wimpy. They weren't getting hot. So I threw them all out. What a flipping waste of money.
Yeah.
Trying to save money and you end up screwing yourself, right? What, Molly? You want pets? You miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? All right, push over. You want to drive, Miss? You want to drive, Miss Molly? You want to drive? You love driving. Yeah, I know you love driving. We ready? You ready to go, Miss Molly? I think I got your sweater on backwards today here. I think I do.